Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you all are fine. Today in this video I'm going to share a miracle and motivational story of Astaghfar. If we keep reciting Astaghfar, we will see miracles in our life because this is the promise of Allah. A person who recites Astaghfar, who does zikar Astaghfar, Allah will give all those things which a person wants in his life. Istighfar, basically, we have so many istighfar we can recite according to us. Like we can say Astaghfirullah, we can say Astaghfirullah al-Azim, we can say Astaghfirullah Rabbi min kulli dhanbin wa atubu ilayh. Which istighfar you want to recite, you can recite it. And the story is that this story happened in many years ago, and it related to a young woman. She was experiencing hardship and she was suffering a lot. She did not have any hope in life. No one was supporting her. She was in severe pain and she felt anxiety. And just because of that anxiety, she did not sleep properly. She had some past bad experiences and she kept thinking about it. And just because of that, she was in severe pain and she was not in a good condition. She did dua and prayed to Allah, just take my life. I don't want to live. She felt that dying was suitable for her at that low point of her life because no one was with her, no one was supporting her. She was alone. She was suffering a lot. She was suffering financially and she was suffering from relation. So she wanted to die. She decided she wanted to die. And that point of disappointment, someone told her to recite Istighfar and keep saying Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah whole day. When you start doing this, you will see something will happen in your life. You will see change in your life. And when you are thinking about dying, inshallah ta'ala, soon you will live a happy life. So she decided to recite Istighfar, to seek forgiveness and to prepare herself for death. If I die in that condition, that Allah will forgive me, so I will be in heaven. She had such point in her mind and she started reciting Istighfar. After some time of saying lots of Istighfar, because she kept saying Astaghfirullah, what was she doing? She kept reciting Istighfar with her work. She started to feel calmness in her heart. The anxiety, the problem, nervousness, depression gone away. And her worries disappeared. Every time she starts to feel sadness, she would say Istighfar. Whenever she was sad, whenever she reminds something bad which happened in the past, she starts reciting Astaghfar. And she kept reciting Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah. So the disappointment, the depression went away. And she also would say this dua, specific dua, Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi Subhanallahil Azim, with Istighfar. She experienced calmness, relaxation, and peacefulness in her mind, in her heart. Istighfar was like medicine for her. After 2 years of Istighfar, her life started improving. She found a job, alhamdulillah. Now she was not dependent on other. She found a job, she was doing job, and she went back to university. She again started her studies. She got married during her study, during her job, the last year of university. When she was in last year, she got married. She got married to the man of her dream, the type of man she made dua for. That is the exact man she got, alhamdulillah, and she got just because of Istighfar. She believed that Istighfar got her out of darkness, alhamdulillah. Istighfar made her life happy and prosperous. She got everything she desired, and Istighfar is the secret to her life. She asked herself, why do people feel sadness when Allah gave them opportunity to do lots of zikr, pray, salah, recite Quran-e-Pak, when Allah is with us? So why we feel sadness? She advised not to take Istighfar lightly, as you can change your life. Anything that you desire, you can have it if you keep saying Astaghfirullah, if you keep believing in Allah, and if you keep asking for forgiveness from Allah. When you keep saying istighfar, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah. Keep remembering your mistake, keep remembering your sin, and keep crying in front of Allah. So, when you keep doing this zikr, when you keep repeating this one word, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, after some time, your life will change. You feel light in your life after darkness. You will see that somebody or some unseen force, some unseen power has taken you come out from this darkness, and you will feel happiness. You will experience calmness, relaxation in your mind, in your heart. You will see success in your life because istighfar has some magical power. When someone start doing it and constantly do and do lots of istighfar, istighfar in thousands, istighfar in abundantly, will see everything will settle down from unseen. Allah will support, Allah will help. People will come to your life who will love you, care you, respect you, will support you just because of doing one zikr, istighfar. And you keep doing istighfar and keep asking for forgiveness. So inshallah ta'ala, your deeds will improve. You will start doing good deeds. Your salah will be regular, and you will perform salah on time. You will start reciting istighfar, durood pak, Quran pak, and you will do more zikr than before because of istighfar. Because istighfar has a power to turn the heart towards Allah, and you feel the love of Allah. So whenever you have any problem, any issue, just start reciting Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah whole day with your work, with your routine. You will see that your life will change. In the case of that lady, she found a right man for her. She found a dream man, what she was thinking, what she was liking in her life. She wanted a man, the same man Allah gave her just because of saying istighfar. Now she has money, she has good husband, caring husband, loving husband, and she has peaceful life, she has successful life just because of reciting istighfar abundantly. So this is my request to all of you. Whenever you have any problem, and even you don't have any problem, just start reciting istighfar and keep asking forgiveness from Allah. You will see your life will become amazing, and people will learn from your life. People will learn from your experience, and you will become a motivation for other people. So just start reciting it. Just start reciting it, and just pray to Allah that Allah will accept our istighfar, our durood pak, our zikr, and Allah will provide all those things which we want in our life. So just start doing from today, and keep remembering me in your prayers. May Allah bless all of us. May Allah accept our prayers. Ameen. Jazakallahu khaira.